Hi, Liz from Stockport Sling Library here. I'm going to do you a video on how to use the Mini Monkey Twin Sling. Now, there are two versions of this. There's a newer mesh version. This is with the slightly older version. So, we're going to fasten it on at the waistband. The adjustment bit at the back here is a wee bit fiddlier. It's all quite interconnected, so sometimes it can be tricky to adjust after you've got it on if you're on your own. So you can either pre-do all the tightening once you've worked out what you need it before, or if you've got someone there with you, they can help you do it. So I'm gonna put the waistband on. Generally, this is for, it can in theory be used for newborn. We usually find in the library it works better when they're a little bit older. And then comfortably, as long as you're comfortable having two babies on your front, I guess. So once you've clipped the waistband on, you are then going to put this bit over your head. So try not to tangle up these buckles as you put them on, because they're what you need to adjust it if you need to adjust it. So you're going to put your head in there and arms through, and then you are in. Now this has a pouch here for one twin, pouch for another twin. Some little slidey things on the things depending on how far apart you want the twins to be and stuff, so there's a little bit of adjustment there. And the same thing that slides is what's going to be in between their legs, so they're going to go one either side, so they're quite secure when they're sat in there. So we're going to get the first baby. So you do is you can put it on your shoulder, and then you can guide them into the little pouch. One leg one side, one leg the other, and then they just sit in. And then again, it's going to be a slightly sideways position, which is good. They can face each other. Put their hands up by them. You've got a little adjustment thing here to tighten a bit on the neck. So this is on a buckle thing, and it will clip into here. So there's one twin in and secure. Twin number two is going to go in exactly the same way. Obviously a little bit fiddlier because you've got twin number one there. So if you have a more chilled twin, put that one in first. So then again, you're going to get one leg out one side, one out the other side of that little bit. And then when they're in, pull this up to their neck. This has got kind of a padded bit, so it should be quite comfy for the neck. Again, you've got a clip in here that can just clip and tighten up a little bit there. And then you are basically hands-free. You've got bits here that can pull out over your shoulders. And like I say, there are adjustments. So the straps here, you can pull to tighten one and tighten the other. They're kind of interlinked though, so it can be a little bit fiddly to do on your own. If you want to get twins out, so you can unclip that bit. And basically, if you lift them up and under their armpits, you can just put them somewhere safe. Because they're in their own little compartment, you could leave them in. It is obviously slightly one-sided then, but there's no reason you can't have one in, not one in, and then swap as needed. And then you can just, if you've taken both out and put them somewhere safe, you can unclip and get yourself out. Thank you.